I've already fallen in love with her coos. They all sound slightly different, depending on who's doing them. At least to me, anyway. To a lot of people, they probably may not be able to tell the difference, but when you're with them enough, you tend to notice which one's doing what sound. And her cooing is a very female one. Like it's very dry in tone. Whereas Kermit's one sounds more like a gargle, in a way. She's just so adorable. These birds, they can't do anything wrong in my eyes. Like, it's crazy. It's really sweet, though. A lot of people don't realise that when they're doing it, they're not actually doing it from their mouths as well. But they're doing it in between their feathers near their rear end. It's a certain sound that they make through their feathers, which is pretty crazy. Like a bird there, she make the sounds through there, as you can see. The bird should move a little bit. Yeah, you can see. It's the same area where they have the eggs and everything, so. It looks like she's leaning up against something there, but she isn't. I love when they stick their butts right up in the air as well. But I think she's hormonal at the moment, is the impression I'm getting from her behaviour. I'm hoping she doesn't decide to lay an egg, because that would not be good. But she's doing a lot of things that some of the other birds do when they're wanting to, like, get to that stage.